간지럽게 가끔은 한 번쯤 부드럽게.
미우미우 어디에요? 미우미우요.
미우미우? 미우미우?
아!
Everybody was kung fu fighting. Those kids were fast as lightning. In fact, it was a little bit frightening. But they fought with expert timing. There were funky Chinamen from funky Chinatown. They were chopping them up. They were chopping them.
미우미우 어디에요? 네, 고객님 이쪽으로 가시면 됩니다.
끝봐.